we're learning about the laws of motion.
I saw a spaceship in the ocean and a blue whale in the sky. I saw mountains turn to candy. I ain't even think to wonder why.
Okay, class. Can somebody tell me what kind of bird this is?
Tried to catch one on my tongue. The snowflake said, hey, put me down.
It's an Amazona.
They live in flocks.
And they're very loud.
All right. Today, we're learning about flight. Split into groups.
I see everything in my dream. I saw a licorice laser beam. I see everything in my dream. I saw my old teacher, Miss Charlene. I see everything in my dream.
What happens if we change lift?
Incoming.
Oh, that helps. Got it.
I've seen everything. Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah. I've seen everything. Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah. I've seen everything. Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah. I've seen everything.
Nature of flight.
Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah. I've seen everything. Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah. I've seen everything. Oh yeah, I've seen everything. Yeah.
Great job today, class. See you tomorrow.